Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be my iPad Pro unboxing and setup. The 2021 iPad Pro looks to be one of the most popular products that Apple is going to be releasing this year. The model that I picked up is the space gray 11-inch with 128 gigs of storage. I don't need a lot of physical storage on my iPad Pro because I normally just use it for streaming like my Marvel movies, sports, and also some editing, whether that's photo or video. And the M1 chip that Apple put inside of the iPad Pro this year is absolutely going to crush anything that I can throw at it. And I know a lot of you are probably wondering, like, why did you get the 11-inch over the 12.9? And the main reason is because I actually bought the 12.9-inch last year, and I just found it way too big as a tablet. As a laptop replacement, I think it's perfect to get the 12.9, but if you're just walking around with a tablet, it is just way too big. And the major difference between the 12.9 and 11-inch this year is the screen. The 12.9-inch is going to have the Liquid Retina XDR display. The 11-inch doesn't have it, but it's got an LCD display that looks fantastic, and it's really not a deal breaker for me. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. So super simple unboxing, you don't really get a whole lot. It's really just the 18-watt power adapter, a 1-meter USB-C cable, then the iPad Pro, of course. Now this year I got it in space gray, last year I picked it up in silver, and I'm just a big fan of space gray, so I'm really liking the look. And the final thing that you get is some paperwork here, so designed by Apple in California. Where's my stickers? So you just get the basic manual and then some Apple stickers. Now let's go ahead and set it up. Alright, so setup is super simple like all other Apple products. You just hold the power button and the Apple logo will pop up. I think I'm gonna put it on the box for the whole setup because I don't have a case just yet. I definitely don't want to scratch up the back. Hello, Canada. Connect to Wi-Fi, so mine is Stark Industries 5G. What's our Wi-Fi password again? Data and privacy, continue, Face ID. And then if you have an iCloud backup, this is going to be super simple for you. You just click restore. There's a whole bunch of backup options as well, and an option if you don't want to back anything up. I do have an iCloud backup, so let's go ahead and click that. Sign into my Apple ID. Terms and conditions, we're definitely not going to read those. So I got a whole bunch of backups here, but I'm going to choose my old 11-inch iPad Pro. Apple Pay, I'll set that up later. I will share my audio recordings, and my iPad analytics, and my app analytics. And that's pretty much it. Now it's just restoring my backup from iCloud, and we should be ready to go in a few minutes. Alright, so the backup is all done, and you can see I'm still rocking the 2020 iPad Pro background, and it's time to change that. So let's make it the 2021 background. Alright, so I think I'm gonna pick this one here. I just think that looks awesome. So let's go ahead and set that to the lock screen. Oh yeah. Alright, so that is it for the unboxing and setup of the 2021 iPad Pro. I am super excited to start using this thing for the channel. I think it's going to be a great investment. It's going to be like an additional camera, and then I can also edit my thumbnails and videos on here. So I am very excited to invest in the channel with the M1 iPad Pro. Now I'm also going to do a full review of the iPad once I've used it for maybe about a week or two. Unfortunately, Apple didn't send me a review unit like all of the big YouTubers. I'll get to that point one day, but for now I had to pick it up on the regular release date, which was today on May 21st, so I'll probably use it for a little bit and then make my full review. Next up, I'm going to film my unboxing and setup of the brand new Apple TV 4K, so if you guys want to see that, the video should be up tonight. And also let me know down below in the comments if you guys are picking up the iPad Pro and which size you are going to be getting. I know it's a pretty heated debate between the 11 and 12.9 inch, but let me know your thoughts down below. Other than that, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Jeez, yo, look at how fire that looks.